The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Kingman County until 8:15 p.m. At 7:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Isabel, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. You can expect golf ball-size hail and 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. The warning was based on radar indications. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Kingman, Cunningham, Nashville, Willowdale, Zeta, Spivey, Cleveland, Kingman Airport, and Rago. Tornado watch number 36 remains.